Hi, Tom here with a new Circle Line Article video. The first step in this drawing is to draw a low horizontal line and then draw a vanishing point in the centre for all the receding lines in the drawing. Next, draw two diagonal lines from the vanishing point to the corners of your page for the city street. The street is very wide near to because we're looking at it from a very low viewpoint. That's why the horizon line is low down in the drawing. Next, draw a rectangle for the first facing side of a building to the left of the vanishing point. It's a rectangle because we're looking straight ahead at it. It's not receding from us. Next, you could draw a guideline to the vanishing point for the receding side of this first building. We can repeat these steps for another building behind the first, again with receding lines going towards the vanishing point. Next, on the left, we can draw the side of a nearer building for the bases of the buildings. The front facing bases of all the buildings will be horizontal lines, but the side facing bases of the buildings will be receding lines going towards our single vanishing point. As you place the buildings, consider how the shapes of each of the buildings that you draw work with the other shapes of the other buildings in your drawing, so that they all work together to make an interesting composition. How the parts of a drawing are all placed together and how they create shapes. So we could just add the side of the taller building that's just a vertical line going upwards. Then in the centre of your drawing, in front of the vanishing point, we could place a front-facing building, another rectangle. And then maybe another building just tucked in behind it, just on the left of it. Then on the right-hand side of your drawing, we could add another larger building, starting with the front-facing rectangle of the building, and then again, as always, using our vanishing point for all the receding lines which are going away in one point perspective because they're all parallel to each other, but the horizontal lines stay horizontal and the vertical lines stay vertical. And the only other lines between the horizontal lines and the vertical lines in this drawing are the receding lines, which all go towards the vanishing point. So by placing another building behind the forward building on the right, hopefully that will make the nearest building look closer to us, but it will make the building that's further away look larger than the nearer building too. And then on the left we could add an edge corner of the building and a baseline. Once you are ready, you could add some vertical lines to the buildings and some details, maybe a few windows. And then later on you could go over your pencil lines with a pen. If you'd like to learn more about drawing and perspective, please consider joining my Circle Line Article newsletter. To sign up, please visit circlelinearticle.com to keep up to date with all the content that I create. If you'd like more details on my drawing courses for beginners, please visit circlelinearticle.com, where you can also sign up to my newsletter. Thanks for watching and see you next time.